Why women over 40 must start a feminine energy practice today. Once there was a woman who had an impressive bathroom full of all the latest anti-aging creams and serums and lotions. Every night and every morning, she would apply her anti-aging products religiously, waiting for that youthful glow to appear. But nothing changed. Even after all the hundreds and hundreds of dollars she spent, she still looked in the mirror and hated what she saw. She felt like time was a battle she couldn't win. Frustrated, she asked her friend, "What is your secret? You look amazing." And her friend said, "I use all the same serums you do, and I love them. I weave them joyfully into my morning and evening routines, and I feel like a goddess." Turns out, the most powerful beauty hack isn't what's inside of a bottle, but how you're relating with it. No matter what self-care you're doing right now, to age gracefully or to age in reverse, are you consciously weaving your feminine energy as part of it? Have you ever felt like all the beauty tips and the beauty products and the makeup and all the advice out there is just confusing you or disconnecting you more from your own true essence, especially as you move into 40 and beyond? Yeah, I can relate. In this video, we're going to clear all that up, and I'm going to share with you why it's so important, especially for women over 40, to start a feminine energy practice. No matter what you're doing right now, morning, noon, or night, for your self-care, for your anti-aging, turning on your feminine energy and using it consciously is a must. In this video, you'll learn why it's such a must. By the end of this video, you're never going to want to skip on our feminine energy practice. I'm going to share with you why focusing on your feminine energy is so important after 40, and how it can transform your health, wealth, relationships, and spiritual connection. So get comfortable and let's dive in. I'm Morgan Day Cecil, your feminine embodiment coach and a new kind of manifestation guide. And I'm here to help you step into your true beauty through your feminine energy and wholeness and create your most awesome life. As we move through different stages of life, especially after 40, many of us begin to feel a shift. Society often tells us that youth is beauty, but what if I told you that your true beauty lies in reconnecting with your feminine energy? Feminine energy is the source of softness, sensuality, creativity, intuition, flow, fierceness, and magnetism. When we're disconnected from this energy, we feel drained, uninspired, and perhaps way less than radiant. But when we tap into it, we awaken a natural glow from within. This practice isn't a luxury, it's an essential for well-being after 40. Why women over 40 need feminine energy practices. As we age, it's natural for our bodies to change, our roles to shift, and sometimes we feel like we've lost touch with that vital, sensual, soulful part of ourselves. Hormonal changes, stress, and the demands of life and raising a family can dull our inner spark and our sparkle. But here's the thing, feminine energy absolutely does not fade with age. It matures, deepens, blossoms, and becomes even more powerful. When you start to nurture this energy, your energy, through daily practices, you will feel more connected to yourself, body and soul, more confident in your skin, and more alive. It's not about fighting aging or even aging naturally, whatever that means. It's about embracing your feminine essence fully. Just to convince you on this, I'm going to share with you some compelling scientific, biological, spiritual, and social reasons why women over 40 should absolutely focus on unlocking, increasing, nurturing, and embodying their feminine energy today. Number 1, the biological reason. Hormonal shifts and balances. After 40, many women experience hormonal changes, including a drop in estrogen levels as they approach perimenopause and menopause. Feminine energy practices such as sensual movement, guided meditation, and nurturing self-care can help balance hormones by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, which is known to accelerate aging and exacerbate menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and fatigue. The scientific reason. So let's go deeper into this hormone thing because it's big. As you'll notice on this channel, many of my feminine energy practices often emphasize nurturing, connection, softness, compassion, which studies have shown to increase oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Oxytocin helps reduce anxiety and promotes feelings of well-being, warmth, and calm. It also counteracts the negative effects of stress hormones, supporting your emotional balance and improving your mental health, not to mention polishing your aura, giving you that radiant, beautiful energy that's so attractive to be around. The spiritual reasons. At this stage of life, you possess a deep well of experience as a woman. Feminine energy practices such as introspection, journaling, slowing down, and creative expression help you access your wisdom on a much deeper level. This period of time can be a fruitful spiritual awakening and self-realization, where feminine energy unlocks your true essence. Your feminine energy is here in service to help you embody your soul in the world. Spiritual traditions across cultures recognize the divine feminine as a source of creativity, nurturing, and life force. By nurturing your feminine energy, whatever age you are, you can deepen your connection to this sacred life force, aligning yourself with your higher purpose, inner truth, and the collective project of healing and evolving mankind. And now for the social reasons. These are big, and they're in no particular order because each one of them is significant. 1, redefining beauty and aging. I don't have to tell you, society often pressures us women to conform to narrow beauty standards, especially as we age. Focusing on our feminine energy allows you, as a mature woman, to redefine beauty on your own terms, your definition being rooted in your authenticity, your self-confidence, wisdom, and grace. This can help you break free from societal expectations and embrace aging as an exciting process of continual soulful evolution and change rather than decline. It's not. And 3, all you mamas and aunties and grandmas will relate to this. This is about becoming role models for the next generation. Becoming women our kids can be really proud of, and we can be really proud of. As we get older, we get more and more opportunities to take on leadership and mentorship roles within our families, workplace, and communities. By embracing and nurturing our feminine energy, we can serve as powerful role models for younger generations. We can demonstrate how to embody strength and softness, wisdom and playfulness, grace and grit. We can show that aging is a celebration of life's richness and beauty rather than something to fear. The key to aging beautifully has nothing to do with expensive creams or holistic treatments or invasive treatments. It's about unlocking your feminine energy and embodying your true essence, simply being unapologetically you. If you're ready to start your feminine energy practices, I have a whole playlist for you dedicated to my favorite feminine energy and embodiment practices, plus game-changing insights from my 20-plus year career coaching women on how to embody their true essence. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm Morgan Day Cecil, your feminine embodiment coach and new kind of manifestation guide. Remember, you can trust what lights you up. What lights you up unlocks your feminine energy and radically improves every area of your life, no matter what age you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on embodying your most beautiful self and creating your most beautiful life. I want to hear in the comments below, what is your why? Why are you here? What is your why for learning more about feminine energy, for turning it on, for unlocking it, for increasing it, for embodying it? I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, mwah.